Do you want to be viewed as the authority in your market? Do you want everybody that has open positions and open roles come running to you because they know that you can fill those jobs better than anybody else? By the end of this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can leverage automation to enhance your authority position in the marketplace. Now, what I'm going to show you is exactly how I've been able to help Jay Fudiker, Laura Bailey, Leslie Boudreau, Katie Kelly all leverage automation to grow their recruiting business and to enhance their authority. But before we get into all that good stuff there, make sure you subscribe to this channel as we're rolling out new content every Monday and Thursday, all about online marketing, lead generation, specifically for the staffing, recruiting, and executive search space. So go ahead and hit that bell in the corner. You will be notified when I roll out these killer videos every single week. Now, let's dive into the good stuff. So how does automation drive authority, Donnie, is what you're asking. And I know it's kind of crazy when you think about it, but it's not the automation tool, it's the strategy that the automation tool can drive that it can enhance your authority. So if you want to be the authority in the marketplace, the first thing you want to do and focus on is you need to expand your audience every single day. What does that mean? Online with LinkedIn, you have different connections. With email lists, you can get your list bigger. So you want to be expanding connections. You want to be expanding your email list. You always want to be expanding your audience. And if you're in the paid world, you're expanding your pixeled audience all the time. But that's the first key component. And what automation allows you to do here to support that is there's tools out there that can automate your connections on LinkedIn. And there's also tools that will scrape email data online. And then if you're running paid advertising campaigns, if you have a top funnel with a lead magnet where you're asking for email information, those are the three main ways. And I use paid as the same way as automation because paid allows for your message to be delivered without any of your effort. So it's kind of automation, kind of not. But when you're doing paid advertising, when you're doing LinkedIn automation, and when you're doing email scraping, those are three effective ways to expand your audience. And in order to be an authority, you need to have an audience to be an authority too. So if you watch any of my other videos, that's why it's very important that we target our market. Okay, the next thing, once you have the audience, what you want to be doing is reaching out and connecting with these individuals every single day. And now a lot of people reach out and they connect. And the first thing we're trying to do every time is they're trying to sell somebody. The market's kind of moved. People don't want to be sold to through messaging. Really look for conversational styles that you can have to really start conversations, build relationships with people in the market. And how can automation help you do that? Well, there's tools out there that can automate LinkedIn messaging. Then you have several different email tools like Loxo, for example, that can help you automate your email delivery. It can also automate some text messaging delivery as well. There's a lot of automation that can be done out there when you are doing it properly. All of these things will enhance our authority in the marketplace because, again, now we're expanding our audience and now we're having active conversations without any of our effort, without any of our grunt work there. And then the last thing that automation delivers, in order to be an authority, we expand the audience, we connect with the audience, and then we add value to the audience. So the way we add value to the audience is through content. Now, you can't automate the creation of content. Maybe there's some tools out there that help with certain parts of that, but I wouldn't recommend it. I really recommend that you create the content on your own because nobody can sell you as good as you can. That's where you're really going to connect with people. If I were to automate this video and the creation of this video, it won't connect you as much. You won't be able to see Donnie's personality, my quirkiness, the things that I do, make you might go, hey, I want to talk to that guy. So when I'm able to add value through content just like this, I'm able to establish my authority more. Now, how do I leverage automation? Well, that's where there's a lot of posting tools out there. Tools like Pager, for example, will post your content so you can create it and then you can schedule it and do your day job and away you go. And you've got automation coming in there. Great tools for automation would be Loxo and Pager are really going to support and help you out. If you have any questions about possible LinkedIn automation, reach out to me. If you're interested in building out an automated lead generation for your recruiting business, go ahead and click the link below and grab a time on my calendar to book a call. And we can talk about all the different strategies that we're using to leverage automation, build an authority, and really build personal brands that are really just getting your clients and candidates to attracted to you and your organization. If you found this video valuable, go ahead and like, subscribe, share it with a friend. And I would be curious in the comment section below, what are you doing right now? And how are you leveraging automation to enhance your authority? Hey, this is Donnie Gupton, and I will see you in the next video. And like I said earlier, they come out every single week. Subscribe to the channel. You'll enjoy it. Talk soon.